everybody, this is MG Sounds. Hope everyone's doing fine. I want to talk to you today about fashion. Changes that has occurred over the years, in particular for males. Female fashion hasn't really changed, but male fashion has, with respect to hip-hop. Fashion used to mean after five clothing. The changes that had occurred there went from after five clothing to after six clothing to hip-hop clothing. Hip-hop. Okay, hip-hop. Baggy shirts, baggy pants, leather tennis shoes, suede tennis shoes, knee-high socks, gold chains around your neck, baseball caps of various kinds. Hip-hop. Now, hip-hop is popular, the adolescents, the ages between 18 and 25, and as such. Now, hip-hop with respect to ages 25, say, on up, is kind of questionable. I mean, to see a 35-year-old man in baggy shorts, baggy shirt, big gold chain around his neck, baseball cap, leather shoes, and knee-high socks. A 40-year-old man, let's say, going out on a Saturday night dressed as such. What do you say to that? Do you think that is with the times, appropriate for that age group? Myself, I wouldn't do it. A lot of people do it to fit in with the group, but I guess I would stay on a Saturday night or Friday night. I would stay with the after six clothing. I guess that would very, very beautiful clothing. After six, after five clothing. Of course, that would be an age group over 25. Now, an age group of under 25, I don't see any wrong with wearing that particular clothing, to be in with the crowd. But it's just a little, I feel, kind of out there for any other age group. Now, MG lounge wear, which can be found at eBay. MG, just type in MG space lounge, and you would pull up the MG line of loungewear. Loungewear is a very comfortable clothing, very nice, very fashionable, for any age group. Baggy pants, nice tank, lounge robe is very fashionable. Shawl collar and of the like. Very nice, very beautiful clothing for any age group. Check it out. MG Lounge. I feel that MG Lounge wear is appropriate for the times. I feel that it's a fashion changer, especially for those age groups that should be very comfortable wearing appropriate clothing for that that group. Now, not to say that it's inappropriate for other clothing, but to stay with the respect of that group. That group should actually have with respect to the other groups is very important, I feel. Well, check out MG Lounge. So be safe, y'all, and MG.